There's that dog. No! Alright, we're going to see if this thing can follow me in a little side-by-side without using the controller. Pretty sure it works with the controller in active track mode, but this is just in follow mode without the app, just hand launching in manual. Let's see what happens. Nope, already lost me. I see it in my rear view mirror. Turn around and go get it. Oh, it sees me. Come here. Alright, Quincy. Come on. It's all kind of confused. Alright, we'll try it with the controller. Alright, let's try this again.
Take off.
Alright. Active track. Focus track enabled. But it's locking on the meat in the vehicle. To my left, see what happens. Oh, e-brake. Oh yeah, you're freaking out, aren't you? Already lost me.
Subject lost. Please keep subject in frame. Subject lost. Focus track disabled.
Well, not working too good. Because the Pioneer is such a dark color? I don't understand. I did the car and it was dark blue, and it was very late at night when I tried it. Oh Lord, I probably shouldn't be up in them limbs. Vehicle. Okay, you know it's a vehicle. Active track. Let's get you to follow me from further back. And we'll bring your altitude down. Said bring the altitude down. It is mad. Let me just drive. See if it follows me. Okay. Better than before. Not many obstacles for get tricked up by right through here though. Oh Lord. Going 12 miles per hour. Oh, it's gonna lose me.
Home point updated.
Come on, catch up. It lost me. Foolish drones.
Subject lost. Please keep subject in frame.
Yeah, you don't say.
Subject lost. Focus track disabled.
There we go, active track. It just won't do it, guys. I don't know. Subject lost. It might be an update issue. It did just pop up and tell me there was a new update. It seemed like the only part of the update that mattered was that it's adding Apple support for Apple Watch. I don't know if that would help with this. It's gotta be something in the settings. Oh no! She's still flying though. Look. Stop that. Let me take over. Alright. I'm manually flying it now. Oh shit. Active track. It's not even picking up on the vehicle. active track. Come on. Let me fly it out here. Oh look, it picked up the truck that just drove by on the road out there. What the? Some weird things happening right now. Look, it sees me in the vehicle. Oh Lord. I will admit that the obstacle avoidance is working pretty well. Even in this low light situation. Whoa, what in the... Alright. Oh! Yes, yes. Vehicle. Okay, active track. Settings. I'm going to... Oh, there's a dog chasing me. I'm going to bring in the radius a lot closer. Maybe that'll help. Outer height, 32 feet. No, let's bring that. Let's do 11.5 feet. Alright, maybe this will help, guys. There's a dog trying to jump up and grab the drone right now. Oh, come on. I don't know why it's struggling so bad. Must be something I'm doing wrong.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Should have charged the batteries to 100%. Oh well. Let's turn this off. Yep. There's that dog. No! Sissy. You little turd. I don't know if you'll auto land. Alright.
Landing.
There we go. Alright. Well, we'll do some updates and charge and try this again some other time. Let's try these settings. Take manual control here.
Subject lost. Please keep subject in frame.
I don't like all these.
Subject lost. Focus track disabled.
Oh yeah, come on. Vehicle, active track. Subject lost. No. Maybe the Avata 360 will be better at this.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Oh well. I'll keep trying the different settings, but for now, it's not working too well, at least with this side by side.
Landing.
Alright. Oh look, an update's available. Added support for remote control with watch. I don't have an Apple Watch, so that won't help me any. Oh well. In this recording.